Good morning, everyone. This is Jeremy here at ExtremeWeatherTracker.com, updating your tropical weather at 10:20 a.m. on September the 3rd, 2011. I want to do a quick update on Lee today. That's all I have time for today. And as you can see, Lee's located here just south of the Atchafalaya Bay here. Lafayette, Louisiana is in here. It's probably 100 miles to the south of Lafayette, right in here. Lake Charles over in this area. Should make landfall somewhere between Lake Charles and the Atchafalaya Basin here over the next 12 to probably 16 hours. Moving very slowly, about 5 miles per hour off to the north-northwest. There's actually two spins located on this this satellite imagery here. And you can see here that one of these spins, more dominant, is going to actually win out. So I think it's going to be the southern spin. You can actually see it just drifting a little bit off to the west. You know, it's been wobbling around a little bit, so the steering currents are very light, and it could wobble back to the west or east and make landfall somewhere in this area here. And you can actually see the south and western side still getting all this dry air entrained into it, so it's really squashing this southwestern corner. But you can actually see all of the outflow out here and all of this heavy rain bands affecting southeast Louisiana and Mississippi at this time. Now, if we switch over to the radar view, you can actually see the center located down here in this area somewhere, and it actually looks like it's drifting a little bit more northwest in the past few frames here. But you can actually see this heavy rain out here in southern and central Louisiana, and guys in East Texas is also getting some rain. You see these outer bands starting to affect Sabine County, Newton County, Jasper County, Jefferson, Orange County. Actually, that's Orange, that's Jefferson, Hardin, and even the eastern parts of Hardin and Tyler County is starting to see some of these outer bands start affecting them, and these should continue to move from the northeast over the next several hours, and maybe drop an inch or two of rain on these areas. So that's great news for Texas that we're actually getting some of these rain bands. We'll see how far it makes it inland as Lee pushes on off to the north and west, and then finally starts recurving to the northeast over the next few days. So that's just a quick update on Lee. We'll see exactly where he makes landfall. Here's New Iberia. Here's Lake Charles. I expect somewhere here just to the west of the Atchafalaya Bay here, probably making landfall sometime this evening. So I may do another quick update this evening if I get time, but we'll have to see what ends up happening with Lee. But he is a pretty strong tropical storm, winds around, I think, around 60 miles per hour. And you can see this western side is getting a little bit of rain bands going here. The western side is starting to fill in a little bit, but you can see that dry air just getting entrained into this southwestern quadrant and really squashing the system. So that's a quick update on Lee, and good news for folks in East Texas, at least. In this area, we are getting a little bit of rainfall. Up here in southern Jasper County, it's been raining at my house since about 7 this morning with some gusty northeast winds. So all those in southeast Texas, we really need this rain, and we'll definitely take anything we can get. You guys in Louisiana, you definitely are going to get quite a bit of rain out of this, especially in the southeastern part around New Orleans and those areas as Lee makes his way on off to the north. Very slowly over the next 36 hours. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll keep updating as conditions warrant it. And once again, this is Jeremy at ExtremeWeatherTracker.com, and I'll see you guys all again soon.